Hey y'all, it's Melanie Ferguson here with Southern Crush at Home, and I hope to inspire you guys to create and decorate a home that you love. And I just can't believe I'm allowed to go live. I tell you what, if there's any business owners watching this video tonight and you want to go live, the trick was for me to keep hitting the go live button. So the thing that's the most painful, which is to hit the go live button, you have to do over and over and over. And even though it says it's not going to post, eventually it will give up and it will let you. Hey Donna, how are you? So listen guys, when you hop on here, say, hey, let me know you're here. I totally didn't think I was gonna get through. So anyway, I'm super excited to be here with y'all. I wanted to do the unbagging all day. I've been waiting to do this for y'all. Show you what I got in Waco when we went shopping yesterday. Totally unplanned. I don't know if y'all noticed, but there was fog everywhere. It was raining. I had my ball cap on. It was rough. It was a rough shopping day, but it was totally worth it because I got some awesome things. So what I want to do, hey Christina, what I want to do is I want to open all my things here with you guys on the video. And then I want to see, Facebook hasn't been letting us post any photos. So I can't comment photos, I can't post a photo, but I want to come back, and it might have to be tomorrow, whenever Facebook is happy again, and post my receipt, because I want y'all to see how great of deals these were. All right, are you guys ready? Are y'all ready to see? Here we go. So the first thing wasn't in a bag. It was this tray that you guys loved. So I got this huge tray. Let's see if I can show you how big it is. It's this big. It's kind of a distressed looking. It's got the wooden handles. The whole thing is wooden. It was 60% off of $36. So whatever that is, obviously almost about 20 bucks off. So, oh yeah, I remember now, because this one was such a great deal. It was about $14, y'all. Look, it's bigger than my head. And I'm gonna use this on my ottoman in the living room, and I'll show you guys. We're gonna style a tray for your ottoman. Hey there, Becky, how are you? Thanks, Gina, I love it too. Hang tight, I'm just trying to make room for all this. All right, so I have patiently, I haven't even opened my bag, y'all. It says Magnolia on it, can you see? I know it's backwards, I didn't have time to flip the camera. Let me try, hold on. Flippy, I hope it doesn't screw up on me. Here we go, Facebook. Ooh, looky there. All right, it let me do that. All right, so you can see my Magnolia bag, and everything's still in here. So this is, including the tray, I got everything for $80. So yeah, it was a good trip. All right, so I don't know why I got this. I know I'm gonna use it for a project here coming up, but it's just a roll of paper, y'all. I love the stripes. It's actually a light cream and black. I love the stripes, and it was $1. And I think it's pretty substantial as far as how long it is. Kind of got banged up. Kind of show you how much is on there for $1. But yeah, it's just a roll of paper. I think it's maybe wallpaper, but it doesn't feel sticky on the back. So I don't know if it got wet, if it would stick, but I'm gonna use it for a couple of different projects, and I just liked the design. Hey there, Barbara from Georgia. Welcome. Thank you so much. Yes, Donna, I just kept hitting it, and it finally let me do a live video. So, all right, I'm really excited if you can't tell, because I've been waiting to go through this, y'all. You know how hard it is to make a girl wait like a day and a half? So, all right. This is kind of in my way, so I'm gonna take this big thing out first. Tell you what, they wrap things really well. So I got this. Let's open it. Oh, you know what? I think I can tear it off the top. It is a mirror. Look at my ring light. Y'all can see my ring light. So it is a mirror. It's got this cute pediment looking thing at the top for interest. And then at the very bottom, it says Magnolia Home. So I liked that part. don't know if you can even read it because I'm right in front of the light. But anyway, it's really cute. It's pretty big. I don't know if it has the measurements on it, but I would say, okay, you can kind of see how big it is. Sorry, y'all. I know I keep putting it in the light. This was the price tag. 60% off of $88. So it was around $30-something. And I'll show it from the back so we won't get blinded. And so I was willing to pay that for this. That's a good deal for this. It's very substantial. It's very nice. I'm going to be using this back here behind me on my gallery wall. So we will see that mirror again soon. Hey Lee, how are you? Okay, more stuff. Are y'all liking this? I had no idea Facebook was gonna let me go live. Ha, I'm so excited. We added a bunch of new things, by the way, while I have you. We added a bunch of new things to the online store, so be sure and go over there and check it out. All right. What could this be? Okay. Hey, Connie from Illinois. How are you? Yes, Lee, it has. It has been absolutely crazy. I have a decorating group that's private, and today we were giving each other suggestions on things to do for each other's spaces, and I had mocked up a whole picture with ideas of how to decorate, and it won't let me upload it. But yeah, okay. Voila! I've been wanting one of these glass bottles for a while. I'm going to use this to showcase our beads. I don't have any on me right here to show you, but they're going to be so cute on here. Yes, Donna, I will post the link. So let's see here. 60% off of $48. So this was really a great deal too. Hey, Wendy, you're in the group. You know that we weren't able to post things, and Christina. So I love this. This is a medium-sized jar. They had a little bit of a larger jar, and then they had jars that were darker green than this. This is a really, you can kind of see the color right here. It's a light bluish green. It's not quite the dark green. All right. Okay, y'all. I am at the end. This is an awesome basket. It came flattened like this. So what you do is there's handles down in here. Can you see them? And I think you just pull them up. Hello. Yes, Connie, I love the bottle too. Okay, it looks like you just pull it up. And then of course you're gonna have to fluff the pom-poms. We're gonna fluff the pom-poms. Make them cute, make them cute. So it's black on the bottom with ultra white pom-poms. So this is kind of modern, but it still has the wicker look of the texture of the natural basket weaving, which is a little more farmhouse. So I'm really digging this modern twist on farmhouse. How about you guys? I asked y'all this morning, what was your favorite new design trend? And so many people put farmhouse, and that's great. That's great. And I think just whatever you love. Okay, so 60% off. This was 60% off of 32, y'all. 60% off of 32. So it was in the teens. This was in the teens, and it's substantial, y'all. Can you see when I hold it up against the light of the wall? It's a pretty big basket. I'm going to show you the inside. It's deep. It's pretty. It's big. And it was around $15, y'all. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Don't know what I'm putting in it yet. Something, and it's probably going to go on the ground next to the sofas. So, yeah, that's it, y'all. That's it for, I'm trying to think. I went to, I didn't buy anything at the woodworking store. I had my eye on those maps. If you didn't see the video, they are below my live videos from yesterday. But at the Heart Designs, I didn't buy anything. got fuzzies everywhere. Didn't buy anything, but yes, with a throw in it. Christina, sorry. I'm eating fuzz balls. Okay, and then I went to the Junkie Monkey and I bought something there. Let me go grab it for you. Hold on, I kind of want to share because it was a fun place. Hold on one second. Yes, Erin, I love those mats too. Hang tight. Okay, so I grabbed it. I went to the Junkie Monkey and I got this spindle, y'all. How awesome is this spindle? Absolutely no clue what I'm gonna do with it. Hey Ashley, I got my lab to work. Okay, so guys, this was all chippy. You can see it's got a huge missing parts right there. That's clearly where it was part of something else, and right there. Yes, it's the Junkie Monkey in Waco, Tracy, that I went to. But yeah, this chippy spindle, it's very chippy, y'all, very chippy. It was $3. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna use it as a piece of decor, either standing alone or laying down or in a bucket. I don't really know. I might throw it on something in that basket I just showed you. Yes, Judy, that basket is so cute, so cute. So Erin, you're saying add this to my gallery wall? That's interesting. Tell me how. Tell me how. I want to hear. Okay, so the only other two things I got at the Junkie Monkey was candles, because I have a little thing for candles. And I'll just share those with y'all because I can. All right. So this one, they're soy candles. I don't know why I act like you can smell them. Is this one even, I don't know. Oh, this one's lemon cream cake. So it's lemon cream cake and they're all soy. You can kind of see her store. I'm gonna try to get her on here, y'all. She is such a sweet shop owner. Yes. Tina, go back and watch the video. It shows everything. And then this one is Waco Cowboy. Waco Cowboy. If you're ever somewhere, a neat town or something, you should always try to shop local and see what all they have. And candles are just like an easy pickup purchase. So, oh, okay, Erin. That would be cute. That would be cute. Oh, LaRonda, they're one of my favorites too. So that is all I have for you guys. I hope it was fun. I do plan on sharing with y'all how I use all those things. And if Facebook will cooperate, I will get a chance to post some of the pictures of the things that I saw yesterday that I didn't buy. Sorry, my shirt is just really not cooperating. Anyway, I appreciate y'all, and we will have some fun later this week. I don't know how many of you guys are on spring break. If you're on spring break, comment below. Let me know, and we'll have some more fun. And hopefully Facebook will be up and running tomorrow with no glitches, and we can go live and make something. How about that? Yes, Stacy, I feel like I want to go live for hours, because when you're really restricted, it makes you want something even more, kind of like sugar, right? So that's one way to make yourself go live, is to not be allowed to go live, and then when you can, it's just much easier. Hey, Tanya, yes, Oklahoma's next week. Well, you'll have a good time. You'll have a good time. Are you going anywhere special? It'll be fun. I tell you what, it was a beautiful sunny day today, and I had several posts lined up with photos, and they weren't able to be posted, but it's okay, y'all. It's okay. We got to go live tonight. So I appreciate y'all, and I hope y'all have a great evening. Bye.